I'm going to give an instance from the seerah in which the Battle of Hunayn, the Sahaba had numbers, thousands. I think they had 12,000 or more troops, right? This is when they were strong. They were really like, yeah, we look at our numbers. We're going to clean up nicely. They were going to fight. I can't remember the exact group they were going to fight. However, what happened was they got ambushed and they scattered. Everybody was like, even with all their numbers, they were getting taken care of pretty good.
Yeah.
What happened? This happened more than once in the seerah. There's another time, even I believe in the Battle of Yamama and other places, where how did they get the troops? Even in the conquest of Mecca, this also they were organized this way, where when everybody was scattered, how did they get the people to organize and actually fight as units, but as part of a larger whole? They called them by the tribes and the people, their clans, who they were from.
Mm-hmm.
So these people, they fell under the banner of their people. And then they were able to, based on the honor and loyalty and allegiance they had to their people, they were able to fight and say, listen, I'm not going to run and scatter because these are my people, right? Even though they all were the Sahaba. In the Battle of Yamama and in the conquest of Mecca and in the Battle of Hunayn, they all were Sahaba. They all were Muslim. But they could easily say, hey, this is us. This is our flag. This is our banner. This is our people. And they were easily able to fall into who they were. And it didn't make them divisive. It actually made them, be more focused, and have a singular drive from each group. Now, my question is, if today the Muslims, some leader or for some reason, they said everybody fall in under your people, the Somalis wouldn't even have an issue. They know who they are. Even though they might have some infighting amongst themselves, they're going to fall in and they're going to fall into the Somali ranks. That flag is going to be waving. Yep. The Pakistanis is not going to be a problem. The Bangladeshis, no problem. The Kurdish, no problem. The Nigerians, no problem. The black people ain't going to know where to go. Well, you trying to jump in with this Pakistanis with your shalwar kameez on and with your sherwani or whatever. They're throwing you out of there. Yep. You're going to look like a fool, So if you are in the same instance, when Rasulullah is calling the people by their tribes and by their people, so they fall in together with your people, they all going to be able to easily fall in from where they from and their language and their culture and their heritage. But the black people are scared to do that. Oh, well, I don't want to be a black nationalist. We ain't black nationalists, but everybody else knows what you are. Meanwhile, you trying to pretend you something else. A little Arabic, so you wear a shemag and you want to try to act like you're an Arab. You're not. You see, you're black and you're American. Be that. Be proud of that because everybody else is proud of it. They wear it proudly. I'm a Pakistani American. Yeah. I'm Nigerian American. Yeah. They'll say it first. But because of some of the geopolitical things, it's like to say I'm an American. I'm just an American. I'm just an American. Okay. And so I'll just rock that. I'm an American Muslim. Okay. So until we can proudly do that, like everybody else does it, we're always going to be coming in last. I'm sorry for going on this rant, but you see where I'm getting at.